Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can get notified every time I post a video. Also, if you have not seen the 1 point perspective grid that I uploaded, the link will be in the description below, so make sure you go and check that out. In this video, I'm just showing you guys how to do a 2 point perspective grid drawing. And the most important thing to pay attention to is your lines coming from your vanishing point, because that's really going to determine on your perspective as a whole. So in this part where I mentioned earlier about your lines coming from your vanishing point, I am placing my vanishing points. It's going to be 6 on one side and 6 on the other side. I like to keep it even. It just flows better. So in this section, I'm showing you guys my floor line from my vanishing point, and then my ceiling lines from my vanishing point as well. You'll see it all come together at the end once I just put some lines coming again from my vanishing point to create my actual ceiling and my floors. So just stay tuned for that.